Understanding the phrase, all eyes on, an English language guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English learning session. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, all eyes on. This expression is widely used in English and carries a unique meaning that's useful in various contexts. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. All eyes on is a phrase used to indicate that everyone is paying attention to a specific person, thing, or event. It's often used when something important, interesting, or unusual is happening and captures the undivided attention of those present. For example, if a teacher walks into a classroom and says, "All eyes on me," they are asking for everyone's full attention. The origins of all eyes on are a bit unclear, but it is believed to have developed from the natural human tendency to focus visually when something important is happening. The phrase is used in various contexts, from formal settings like business meetings or classrooms to informal scenarios such as parties or sports events. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. During a magic show, as the magician prepared his next trick, all eyes were on him. In a classroom setting, when the principal entered the room, all eyes were on her. At a sports event, as the player prepared to take the crucial penalty shot, all eyes were on him. Other phrases that convey a similar meaning include the center of attention, the spotlight is on someone, under scrutiny. These phrases can be used interchangeably depending on the context and tone of your conversation. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of all eyes on. Remember, it's a versatile phrase that can add flavor to your conversations, making them more engaging and precise. Happy learning, and see you in our next English language session.